Hello my friends, Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today I want to bring you a very unique keyboard. This is called the Keycrhon Q11. Looks pretty normal, right? Maybe some interesting keycaps, but guess what? This is a split keyboard. I can't wait to show you the difference, so let's get into it. So, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent way too long trying to find the perfect setup that feels just right. The Q11 gives you the flexibility to create your ideal typing experience. I love this split layout. It means you can position the two halves however you want. It's totally up to you if you want them closer together, further apart, or angled just right for your hands. Super ergonomic, really. And hey, if you're not into the whole split thing, no worries. You just plug in the halves together with a bridge cable that comes with it, and you've got a traditional keyboard. But here's where it gets fun. The Q11 comes with full VIA support. That means you can program and remap the keys however you like. You can even program the knob functions. Basically, if you can think it, you can do it. On this keyboard, I have the Keychron red switches, and that is what it comes with stock. I have these very fun retro comic keycaps that are so much fun. These keycaps are a classic cherry profile, plus it's so customizable. It has various novelty keys and color accents that you can use to match your personal style. I can't forget to mention the RGB lighting. The Q11 has south-facing LEDs, so the backlight hits you just at the right angle. Finally, if you're the type who loves to tweak things, you'll appreciate the hot swappable sockets. No soldering required. If you want to try out different switches, you just pop them in and you're all set. It supports both 3 and 5 pin switches, so you've got the option. The bottom line, the Q11 gives you a lot of freedom to customize your typing experience, whether you're a casual typist or a keyboard enthusiast. It's all about making it yours, and this is exactly what I was looking for in a split keyboard.